Hey everyone, Patrick Hughes. Here's the S&P 500, and we really called this all the way along here. We told everybody where the high would be, what price. We were at 20 cents of that. We called it a top at potentially at 12.20. It hit 12.19.80. Broke down here, and then we stated that this day would be a change in trend and probably to the downside. We started explaining some of the big risks right here. On this day, you see this big decline. I called for a potential move into this range, and then it should kind of hold this range, and we could get a bounce off of that. That's exactly what we did. Said we should hold this price range. We did, and we broke down. You could see, and I called that we could have a potential move to the 10.55 range, and then when we got the little bounce there, I explained that we should move back down and we should hold this 10.45. On that day, I also stated that we should start to see potential after that trading day. I told everybody that I felt we have a major change in trend or potential turn here, and that we were overextended. We could move up into 11.07. Yesterday's trading was a little perplexing in the sense that you started to really see a non-commitment of the longs as they couldn't really sustain the highs for the day and close it to the low, so there was a potential for this to break back and retest that low. I explained that to our members, but nevertheless we did call for a potential move to the upside, and those just watching, knowing that information, could tell right off on the open that there was a commitment to the long side here. I also explained there's still a lot of risk here that's starting to happen here as we start to move on. Now I don't want to give away too much that I've been giving to our members because they pay for that kind of information, but this is something that we've been doing. We've been calling all the major turns in the market, not only during this market correction, but as this market correction was happening, we called made a 50%, 53% return, or a call that could have generated that kind of return in a very short amount of time frame, and another one for 21% on the short term. And we also told them to all cover here, and they were very sensitive to the movements in the S&P. So our timing was right on the exit as well as on the entry here. And this is what you pay someone for, or at least give you some kind of insight of what's going on in such a volatile type of market environment, and a dangerous one if you don't know what you're doing here. This is what we love to do here, and we're good at it. We'd like you to be a member now. This way you can follow our stock picks, our daily technical analysis, and let us show you the next market top or bottom. I'm going to be with you every step of the way. We're going to make trading easy. Sign up now. Find out our next breakout stock. Happy trading.